Critical alert for Bitcoin. Let's go through the details. I have this lined out for you guys as well as I can. Please smash the like button if you trade Bitcoin. It's important for our diagnostics as the channel. I want to talk about this level of support from October 2020, the $10,000 range, carried up through July. Here we go, July. This is this big line of support that you see that we're trying to hold right now. This July, okay, the price in and around just below 30,000 on the daily chart. We will dig into essentially the area and the activity below, okay, below and above. I've lined these out because it's very good technically, and this is why I want you to hit the like button. I want to know who's actually technically trading Bitcoin. It's very important, guys, that we respect the technicals on Bitcoin. It's the most important thing as you develop your trading game, and that's what we do here at Bitcoin Spike. This is London. Let's talk about this zone 1. It's very important, okay, as we talk about this time frame of about 3 days we went through. We developed a fan reversal. This is a very standard pattern, a fan reversal, institutionally recognized, guys, a fan reversal. We have the resistance to support, this resistance to support up and out, a reversal pattern. It was complementary, the fan was complementary with the ascending triangle, a bullish feature, both bullish expressions going to the upside over that red line, that prior support, okay? Very important to get us back up and over. You'll see that we're currently on the 1 hourly. We have hit along that red line, okay, that support again, and we have contradictory patterns though right now. I want to talk about these contradictory patterns instead of the complementary patterns, okay? This ascending triangle with the fan reversal, both bullish expressions. Right now, we're in a zone where if I dig into the lower time frames, let's go into the 30-minute, you'll see that we have a reversal pattern going on up and above a different line of resistance, and I'll talk about that probably in a live stream. But we do have a fan, the same fan procedure, reversal process in play here with the resistance, okay? Turning into just fanning on down. We have the support. Let's talk about the support instead of this resistance. It's a little bit fine-tuned in here. We have to get a little nuance with that. But this is essentially a support to a resistance hit there, guys. But we have this support here showing as resistance. Then we have this specific. The important part for right now is this support hit here. Will it turn into resistance and provide us, guys, some more negative pricing? Just an opportunity for some more value acquisitions. Okay, so that would be very different if we would look at this this specific area 1, okay, with two complementary bullish patterns. I say complementary because they're both bullish, okay? They're both trajecting us to the upside as opposed to the fan, which is another reversal. In the instance of a top reversal, guys, it's going to be a bearish indication. Now, what's the contradiction? The contradiction would be this falling wedge, okay? That falling wedge is really important. The descending wedge is it's a bullish continuation pattern, okay? So to the extent that the fan right now, this reversal process, which you clearly see this support to the resistance, right? You see this support here. The key feature here is going to be this resistance line here, across resistance from the seat of this fan. Just please pay attention to that. Now, we have traded the fans, we have traded these wedges quite a bit, particularly the wedges, okay? The falling wedge is a very bullish expression. It's supposed to be a continuation pattern to the upside. And from the empiricals, guys, from the trading experience that we have just seen that recently when Bitcoin wants to fall out of a falling wedge, it really likes to recover back into it. We've just seen that time and time again here on the channel. So if you guys are trading, we look forward to interacting with you. Shout out to Angel, our #1 contributor. Angel has been in Bitcoin since $7.79, and we are very, very honored to have him as a member of our VIP and just kind of the king of the channel on top. As we look at the entirety of the situation, I did a live stream last night, really crucial live stream. If you guys didn't catch it, go back and watch it. I kept it short so that you could. Okay, we talked about the extensions from the daily, on the daily chart. If we talk about the extensions from this $30,000 range and on the daily chart, this is what was interesting. We'll go through the details in another stream here in a bit. But as we look at this hit, bam, just on the line chart, okay, go from the line, the extension to the extension, 1, 2, and hit 3, bam, the extension. You'll see that the current area of concern is exactly that 23.6, okay? You draw those lines up. That stream will help you draw those lines up. If you're not familiar with TradingView, this is the Premium Pro Edition. So make sure that you're using that top shelf, guys, in terms of TradingView and all of the I'd say tools that you can put in your toolkit. So we're currently at that 23.6. We have some levels above the crucial the crucial area right now is this hot zone. I'll just call it a hot zone. And that white line that you're seeing right here is a prior resistance, just really well respected resistance to a real big attempt at support in and around that $49,000 to $50,000 level where we had a few trades, guys. It was a nice trade zone. So we're currently trying to get back up and above. Let me take that 2 off the map. We're trying to get back up and above, irrespective of the fan, irrespective of the falling wedge. We could use the wedge to get back up and above, but we're trying to use this larger overall feature, of course, this inverse head and shoulders to traject up. Went through the exact targets to the upside, and guys, I think you'll find that prior stream. I may do another stream so that we can go over it again in some better hours for you. This is London from Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. Hope you guys are trading, and I hope that you hit our target on the downside, guys. If you hit our target on the downside, I mentioned yesterday, you could literally, guys, we have the lower target. I think the lowest target in the market that I can find anywhere, guys. We have the lowest target in terms of the acquisition level. You're up 30%. You're literally in a position where in 2022, you could just let your profits ride, okay? That's what we're talking about, guys. That's how you beat, that's a primary way in terms of how you beat the market. You're in a position early in 2022 just to let your profits ride. So those of you who are looking for an entry, stay tuned. And yeah, this is London. We'll do some live streams, etc., with some additional targets. Many people right now are looking at fib retracements. I'll just tell you, looking at fib retracements in terms of kind of a hot zone they can get into of their own in terms of an entry. And we're looking forward to seeing how you guys perform in 2022. Our VIP Top Shelf membership is, guys, it's a group of guys that know how to trade. So we're looking forward to seeing how you guys perform in 2022. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike.